Hi, this is Hw3 and here's my solution for assignment 3 about question 1. Here is the question 1. It wants us to calculate this function and get here are 5 sub questions. So firstly, I think the point is how to calculate the summation of the p times k minus 1. It is hard because it have the item have a term of k before the p times k minus 1. So we can solve this by using a trick that we notice that p times k, if we make a differentiate, it can get k multiply p times k minus 1. So firstly we calculate this one and we make a differentiate about this, and we can get first we make the, because the differentiate didn't change the summation, didn't change the sequential about the summation function, so we can get we can sum those terms before first, and then we make a differentiate for the whole result, and we can easily get this result. And so if we want to get this k times 2 multiply p times k minus 1, we can easily use this one, and this one we can take use of this one if we commonly multiply p for the right hand, for the left hand and the right hand, we can get this result, and we make a differentiate about this one, so we can get the result about this summation, and the result is here. And similarly, if we want to calculate this one, we can notice that this one is from a differentiate result about this summation. And if we want to get this summation, we need to multiply p of the left hand and the right hand, so we get this one, and we differentiate about this one, and we get this result is here. So take use of those things, we can easily get the first question. It want to find b, so that this probability represents a probability mass function. So b have to satisfy that the summation of all those massive probability in my mass function, the summation about this is the summary about this is sum about this is equal to 1. So take use of this, we can get that b equals to 1, equal to this result. And for the sub b question, it want to us to find the expectation about the x. So here is easily the expectation is k multiply the probability when x equal to k. So here we take the result from this one, and we can easily get this is the result. Similarly, when calculate the expectation about this, we can easily take use of the conclusion directly. We can get the result. And for the sub-question D, when calculate this one, we can directly use the conclusion result from sub-question B and sub-question C, and we get the final result. And for the sub-question E, it is easy. It wants us to find the conditional probability mass function. First, we calculate the probability when x is greater than 2, but greater or equal than 2, but less or equal to 5. It is easy. We simply sum this result and we get here is some result. And for the conditional probability, we can convert it into this one, and this one is easily, this one is just equal to this one, but it has a limitation that the range is only from k from 2 to 5, and we divided this result and we get the final result.